NBC10's Randy Gyllenhaal live for us in King of Prussia this morning, where it's really been coming down. Randy, the snow mixed with the sleet, that's a bad combination there. And boy, has the snow picked up?
Yeah, I mean, it's been snowing like this for about an hour now, and I can tell you it's not sleet right now. This is a really light, dry snow. That's because it's so cold this morning here in King of Prussia. And look, it's already accumulating on cars. I've got maybe 2 inches on this one right here, and it's that really easy, fluffy snow, the kind that makes it nice and easy to shovel. That could change later in the day. I do just want to show you how much is on the ground, and I'll put this microphone right here. So right now on the ground, and remember, this is just the last hour or so. We already have this much snow accumulating on the sidewalks, on the surfaces. And what this means for roads is, take a look. They are completely covered right now. This is Route 202 in King of Prussia, not far from the King of Prussia Mall. I do not see any pavement right now, despite a number of plow crews with their blades down going up and down this road. So what that means is that even as the snow comes down and gets cleared, it just picks up right again and starts sticking to the surface because of how cold it is right now. So I think this will be an issue going forward. We've seen a number of people trying to get up this hill, having some problems. I see a person over there with maybe a snowblower or a bicycle trying to get through. The visibility is also pretty bad here because the snow is coming down at such a good clip. So we've been watching this for about an hour and a half. This is going to be an event that goes through much of the day, but right now I can tell you in the Philly burbs it is coming down at a pretty decent clip. It is sticking immediately, so if you do need to go out on the roads, really take it easy because they're not clear. I'm seeing a lot of people driving faster than they should, and a bit of slipping and sliding as well. For now, we're live in King of Prussia. I'm Randy Gyllenhaal, NBC10 News.